Data science for social good, a topic and concept that is well worth discussing. After all, data science plays an invaluable role in our everyday lives, even if we don't quite notice. In today's episode, we will be discovering the power data science can have in harnessing social change. What are we waiting for? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Rohak and I'm the founder of Empower Code, helping you make a change with technology. Today marks the 13th episode of my course, Data Science for Media Bias Detection, where we'll be talking about using data science for social good. Techniques like data mining and machine learning have a widespread impact in our everyday lives. YouTube, the very place you're watching this video, is run and functioned by advanced neural networks which suggest videos and recommend channels to you based on your watch history with different creators on the platform. How cool is that? These intelligent systems built on data dynamically learn from historical data to make your viewing experience as best as possible. Now, to better illustrate my point, I would like to share a personal experience of mine with you guys. Recently, I worked on a project which used advanced data mining techniques to extract all relevant financial data from comprehensive annual financial reports, PDFs which range from over 300 to 500 pages in length. But why would I even waste my time doing this? Well, it turns out that governments and local municipalities are having trouble and difficulty compiling and displaying their financial data gathered throughout the year to the public. They also want to gauge the process of other nearby municipalities to see how they match up financially. So, by using data mining to scrape these reports, financial data is made more transparent and openly accessible for any citizen, governor, or mayor. This is what data science can really do. It can open up possibilities you thought were never possible. But more than that, you can use it to open up opportunities for others who really need them. So I encourage any of you watching this episode to seek out ways of using technology to better those around you, improve lives, boost efficiency, open opportunities, but most importantly, make a difference.